Hey, in this tutorial I will show you how to buy USDT on Binance. This is the same application for iOS and also Android. Once you are inside the app, on the home page you will see add funds at the top. I will press on it and I would like to purchase USDT on Binance with my card, so I will press on view more, and right at the bottom is an option buy withdrawn. You will see the currency of your account, and do not worry, you can change it. Buy crypto easily via cash, bank transfers, card and fiat balance. That's the one we are looking for. And inside here, as I told you, you can change the currency. If you press on this pointing down arrow, then inside here you can search for your currency. AED is the dirham, or also you will have a search bar at the top, USD, which is US dollar, but I will not change it because my card is withdrawn. And now at buy, you may have USDT or another coin. Let's press on this arrow so we can change it. In case you have Bitcoin, like that, change it to USDT. Let's search for USDT. Okay, and I will select it. Nice, and at the top you can enter the amount, 100 RON, 500 and so on. Down below you will have to enter your card, and after that you can press on preview order, and that's how to buy USDT on Binance with a mobile phone. Thank you for watching and bye bye.